everyone, welcome to Cook with My Guru. Before proceed with the today's session, let's have a look at agenda of today's session. In this video, we'll discuss about types of inheritance in Python and single level inheritance in Python. Single level, multi-level, multiple, hierarchical and hybrid inheritance. These are the types of inheritance in Python. Next we'll see what is single level inheritance in Python. Single level inheritance is one of the types of inheritance in Python. Derived class inheriting the properties from only one base class is called as single level inheritance. Here, class chair is parent class or base class. Display feature chair, it is a method which is defined in chair class. Office chair is a child class or derived class. And display office chair is a method which is defined in office chair. Though it is a single level inheritance, derived class inheriting from its only one base class. Let's implement single level inheritance in Python in VS Code. First create a class called as chair and then define a method called as display feature chair with self keyword with print function having a string features of. Create a one more class called as office chair and then define one more method called as display office chair with self keyword and write one print function with string. Office chair is a chair that is designed to be used at desk in an office. Though office chair is a child class, it needs to inherit from the base class that is chair. So we need to write base class name in derived class. Let's create an object. Object is created only for derived class, not for base class. Define a main function. Create an object for derived class that is office chair is equal to office chair. Then call the methods of chair class and office chair class. Then call the main function by evaluating if condition. Let's see the code from beginning. This code contains two classes. One is chair class, another one is office chair class. Each class consists of its separate methods, that is def display feature chair method and one more is def display office chair method. The subclass needs one more method. Instead of redefining one more method, it is inheriting from the base class. Then created an object for derived class in main function. Through that object, we had called the methods. Then main function is called by evaluating conditional statement. Let's run this code. The output is feature of chair and office chair is a chair that is designed to be used at a desk in an office. I hope all of you understood this concept. Hope you are enjoying learning with us. Requested to like our videos to support us. Leave us a feedback in the comment section. Are you a subscriber to our channel? If not, requested to click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive regular updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next session. Keep coding. Happy learning.